Electricity supply interruptions in hospitals can have severe impact on the quality of care given to patients. Frequent electricity blackouts are particularly unacceptable for critical areas such as operating theatres, intensive care units, and nurseries. The use of diesel fuel generators to ensure constant supply lead to increased operational costs due to the high fuel prices and the maintenance costs associated with the generators. Megapower supplied, installed, and commissioned a 60 kWp on-grid solar system with a backup battery bank for the AlKarama Maternity Hospital. This has provided the hospital with a reliable electricity supply, minimized the requirement for diesel backup generator use, and thus saved the associated operating expenses. This system used quality components including Canadian solar PV modules, German-made Hopek batteries, Serenium Expert V hybrid inverters that provided smooth grid integration. Contact Megapower for a free consultation to develop a solar energy solution that will provide reliable power, minimize or eliminate the use of diesel backup generators, and thus reduce or eliminate associated costs.